Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screenshot sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If you are taking screenshot with 3 fingers or any other method, there will be a small sound after capturing. Listen carefully. If you want to turn off this screenshot sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select more sounds and just turn off this button screenshot sound, so that screenshot sound will not be coming up. See here, I am taking screenshot now. Using button method, I would like to take a screenshot, and there is no sound after capturing. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off a screenshot sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.